morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Happy Saturday to you all. Last night I got to play quite a bit with a chicken and mushroom pasta in a decadent cream sauce. Decadent? Take it as you will. It was good. I added and changed quite a bit. So all the notes are in the recipe. It is good. Definitely something you can play with. So have at it. Have fun. Tonight, this recipe caught my eye a few weeks ago, and you know how much I love shrimp. Matter of fact, when I did my shopping yesterday, I did go over to Goldfish and pick up some new, fresh, frozen shrimp because I've been using the shrimp at Winco. So it actually makes more economical sense, and they're better shrimp from Goldfish Seafood Market. So tonight, I'm preparing a quick and spicy shrimp soup. Why do I always pick the days it's going to be 95 degrees or hotter to make soup? I don't know. I'm crazy. All right, let's get to it. Being a shrimp day, all I need is a Dutch oven. Perfect. That's the hardware. Software. These are the largest white shrimp that Goldfish Seafood Market has. They're frozen, they're deveined, and they're super easy to peel once they're thawed. And as we continue, I'm going to do a rough dice of this half red onion. I'll be using most of this carrot, most of the red and yellow bell peppers that are seen here, and a serrano pepper, which I picked up from LA Merchandise yesterday. The rest of the software: kosher salt, black pepper, pumice olive oil, chicken stock. I'll use about a half of this can of diced tomatoes, garlic, my Ancho Pasilia chili powder, smoked paprika, arbol chili powder, and good old cumin. And good old, finish it off, a dash of lime juice. That's green. Vine, yes. All right, so here's the software and goodies for tonight's soup. So there's the goodies. Simple recipe. Even though it's like 2 pages, but it's really not 2 pages. It's really not. If you pull all the extra fluff out of it, it's not 2 pages. So on this Saturday, stay hydrated, stay cool, stay in the shade or indoors. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.